Everyone, in our last video we have discussed about state whether the statement is correct or wrong. Now in this video we are going to discuss about right answer in one sentence. So the first question is, which is the southernmost point of India? The southernmost point of India is Indira Point. Next, the location of India is in which hemisphere? So first of all we have completed first question. Next, location of India is in the which hemisphere? So location of India is in the northern hemisphere. So we have completed second question. Location of India is in the northern hemisphere. Third question, which country is called as the coffee pot of the world? So Brazil is the country called as coffee pot in the world. Brazil is the country called as coffee pot in the world. Fourth number question, which is the west flowing river in the central part of India? So the west flowing river in the central part of India is Narmada river. The west flowing river in the central part of India is Narmada river. Fifth number question is, where is the origin of river Ganga? The origin of river Ganga is at a Gangotri glaciers. So the origin of river Ganga is at the Gangotri glaciers. Question number 6. Which is the highest peak in Brazil? So the highest peak in Brazil is Pico de Neblina. The highest peak in Brazil is Pico de Neblina. Seventh number question. Which type of climate is found at the south of Tropic of Capricorn in Brazil? So, a temperate climate is found at the south of Tropic of Capricorn in Brazil. The temperate type of climate is found at the south of Tropic of Capricorn in Brazil. Next, 8 number question. Location of Brazil is in which hemisphere? So, the location of Brazil is in southern hemisphere. Means some part of Brazil is located in northern hemisphere, but most of its part is located in southern hemisphere. So the location of Brazil is in the southern hemisphere. Next, question number 9. Distribution of population is high in which river basin of India? So the distribution of population is high in Ganga river basin of India. Distribution of population is high in Ganga river basin of India. Question number 10. Which type of economy is found in Brazil? So developing mixed economy is found in Brazil. Developing mixed economy is found in Brazil. Next, 11 number question. Which type of settlement is mainly found in the southeast part of Brazil? So the nucleated type of settlement is mainly found in southeast part of Brazil. Nucleated type of settlement is mainly found in the southeast part of Brazil. 12th number question. Which type of forest is found in swampy region of India? So coastal type of forest, means example mangrove forest, is found in swampy region of India. Coastal type of forest, example mangrove, found in a swampy region of India. Question number 13. Pink dolphin is a characteristic of which country? So the pink dolphin is the characteristic of Brazil country. Question number 14. What are rainforests in Brazil called? What are rainforests in Brazil called? So the rainforest in Brazil called as lungs of the world. The rainforest in Brazil is called as lungs of the world. Next, 15 number question is, what is the time duration of census in India? So the time duration of census in India is 10 years. The time duration of census in India is 10 years. 16 number question. What is the sex ratio? The sex ratio is defined as or else the number of female per thousand male in a region is called as a sex ratio. The number of female per thousand male in a region is called as a sex ratio. 17 number question. How much percent of the world's land is occupied by the Brazil? 5.6% of the world's land is occupied by the Brazil. 5.6% of the world's land is occupied by the Brazil. 17 number question. 18 number question. What is the density of population in the state of Kerala? So the density of population in the state of Kerala is 860 person per square kilometer. So the density of population in state of Kerala is 860 person square kilometer. 19 number question is which type of settlement are found in the desert of Rajasthan? So dispersed settlement is found in the desert of Rajasthan. Dispersed type of settlement is found in the desert of Rajasthan. Next, 20th number question. Which is the most urbanized state in Brazil? So the most urbanized state in Brazil is Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo is the most urbanized state in Brazil. 21 number question. Which major crop is exported from Brazil? Which of the major crop is exported from the Brazil? So coffee and soybean is the major crop exported from the Brazil. Which river basin is found at west of Brazil? Amazon river basin is found at west of Brazil. Amazon river basin is found at the west of Brazil. Question 23 number question. What is the balance of trade? What is balance of trade? So balance of trade is the difference between the value of imports and export of only the visible item of an economy. Balance of trade is the difference between the value of import and export of only the visible items of an economy. Next, 24th number question. Which is the costliest mode of transport? So airway is the costliest mode of transportation. Airway is the costliest mode of transportation. Question number 24. Now question number 25. Write any one tourist city of Brazil. So the answer is tourist cities of Brazil is Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Manaus, Brasilia. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil country. So the answer is Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Manaus and Brasilia. These are the tourist city of Brazil. Next, 26th number question. What is communication? So communication is an art of exchanging ideas, fact and information, etc. Communication is an art of exchanging ideas, fact and information, etc. Now 27th number question. In which part of Brazil less transportation routes are found? So in western and internal part of Brazil, less transportation routes are found. So western and internal part of Brazil, less transportation route are found. Now the next question is name the following. First, the activity in which visiting the place and collecting the information of geographical and cultural factor is done. So, the activity in which visiting the place and collecting the information of geographical and cultural factor is done in geography. So the answer is geography. Now second question. The physiographic division of India, which extends from southern foothills of Himalaya to the northern border of the Indian Peninsula. The physiographic division of India, which extends from southern foothills of Himalaya to the northern border of Indian Peninsula. So it is North Indian Plain. So the correct answer is North Indian Plain. Third number, the rain shadow region of Brazil, which is found at the northeast direction. The rain shadow region of Brazil, which is found at the northeast direction, is known as drought quadrilateral. The correct answer is drought quadrilateral. Now question number third. Write the following regions in the correct group. So the groups are given. We are going to read the name. Bihar, Tocantins, Pernambuco, Alagoas, Eastern Maharashtra, Western Rajasthan, Gujarat, Rio Grande do Norte, Paraíba, Western Ghats, Eastern Himalaya, Western Andhra Pradesh, Roraima, Amazonas, West Bengal, Rio Grande do Sul, Santa Catarina, Goa. So, region of high rainfall, moderate rainfall, low rainfall. In India and Brazil, we have to distribute these names. So, first of all, we are going to denote IH as Indian high rainfall, IM as Indian moderate rainfall, IL by Indian low rainfall, and BH for Brazil high rainfall, BM for Brazil moderate rainfall, and BL for Brazil low rainfall. So now Indian high rainfall. We are going to discuss about Indian high rainfall. So first of all, Western Ghat is Indian high rainfall. Then Eastern Himalaya is Indian high rainfall. Goa is Indian high rainfall. These three are the Indian high rainfall region. Now Indian moderate rainfall. So first of all, Bihar is Indian moderate rainfall. Next, Eastern Maharashtra is Indian moderate rainfall. And West Bengal is Indian moderate rainfall. Now, Indian low rainfall region. So, Western Rajasthan, Indian low rainfall. Gujarat, Indian low rainfall. Western Andhra Pradesh is also Indian low rainfall region. Now, we are going to discuss about Brazil high rainfall region. Brazil high rainfall region is Tocantins. First of all, Tocantins, Bihar high rainfall. Then Roraima, Bihar is Indian moderate. And Roraima is Brazil high rainfall. Amazonas is also Brazil high rainfall. Rio Grande do Sul is also Brazil high rainfall. Now Brazil moderate rainfall. So Brazil moderate rainfall is Alagoas, Brazil moderate rainfall, Alagoas, as well as Brazil moderate rainfall, Santa Catarina. And Brazil low rainfall region is Pernambuco, BL, Rio Grande do Norte, BM, BL. It is low region, low rainfall region. Paraiba is also Brazil low rainfall region. And in this way we have completed all the points, that Indian high rainfall region, Indian moderate rainfall region, Indian low rainfall region, Brazil high rainfall region, Brazil moderate rainfall region, Brazil low rainfall region. And in our next video we are going to discuss about outline map as well as about the question based on map or graph. So thank you friends for watching my video.